Hello S4, today we're going to revise how to complete a Scottish set text practice paper. We will reflect on our feedback from our lessons this term, recall how to answer the questions for the Scottish set text paper, and finally plan our answers. On Thursday you'll have the opportunity to complete the practice paper in full. Therefore it's going to be helpful for you today to come up with a really detailed plan to help you with that. Okay. First of all, you should read carefully over the feedback I've given you from our last two lessons. You can access your feedback by going through the assignments function on Teams. Okay. Also, here are some general comments for the whole class. Everyone can improve their answers by imagining they are writing for someone who does not know Sailmaker at all. You all have detailed and insightful knowledge of the play, and this comes across in your work. However, in general, your responses need to be more in-depth. Still, the good news is that it's not a matter of knowing the play better, it's just a case of making sure to put what you know on paper. In particular, many of you often make an apt observation about the play, for example, that Davy allows his relationship with Alec to fall apart, but fail to back up your statement with evidence. You must recall in what scenes Davy and Alec's relationship begins to fragment, what happens in these scenes, and what their significance is for the play generally. You should expand your answers as much as you can with the time available. Remember, you can refer to any technical feature of the play that we've looked at in class, such as features of language, for example tone or imagery, or dramatic techniques, for example climax or turning point. However, your key aim should always be to answer the question. It'll be helpful to note, folks, that you can answer the question without referring to any such technical features. You could just talk about things that happen or plot, the personalities of the characters or characterization, and the circumstances in which they live, or in other words, setting. If you think it's going to be helpful to refer to a dramatic technique in order to answer the question, then by all means do so. For example, you might mention the fact that Alec and Davy's deteriorating relationship climaxes in the scene where the model yacht is burnt. However, this technical vocabulary in itself and a general comment about what happens in that scene is not going to be enough. We need to give an in-depth and detailed remark, not a remark, sorry, that's the wrong word, an in-depth and detailed piece of commentary, a really thorough description and analysis, drawing upon all the evidence that we can think of in order to justify our contentions about the play. Okay, so you're all experts on the play by this stage, and I'm not just saying that. Put that fact to good use, okay? Show off all the knowledge that you've got and don't take it for granted that anything is obvious. State the obvious. Imagine that you're speaking to someone who doesn't know the play at all. Okay, folks, now the rest of the PowerPoint will help you to revise how to answer the different question types, and I've also provided you with some templates so you can plan each of your questions before answering them on Thursday. Okay, I'm going to pass over to you just now and leave you to work through that. I hope you're looking forward to our group discussion, and I hope you'll be able to contribute some ideas and some questions to help everyone with their work on Thursday. Okay, in the meantime, of course, I'm available the whole time to answer any questions that you've got on Teams. Okay, bye for now.